Crazy Egg Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Crazy Egg and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get right into it. Crazy Egg is an analytics tool that focuses on providing visual insights into how visitors interact with your website. For dropshippers, understanding user behavior on your e-commerce site is essential to optimize conversions and increase sales. Crazy Egg offers features like heat maps, scroll maps, session recordings, and A/B testing, making it easy to track how visitors engage with your site and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Who is it for? Crazy Egg is perfect for dropshippers who want to dive deep into user behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve their store's performance. Whether you want to see where customers are clicking, how far they're scrolling, or how they navigate through your sales funnel, Crazy Egg provides the insights you need. Key features include heat maps that show where users are clicking, scrolling, and hovering on your pages, session recordings that allow you to watch real user interactions, and A/B testing to test different page variations for better conversion rates. Strengths? One of Crazy Egg's biggest strengths is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not an analytics expert, you can quickly understand how users interact with your site through the simple visualizations that Crazy Egg provides. The heat maps are especially useful for understanding which parts of your website are getting the most attention, and the scroll maps help you see where users drop off on long product pages. Session recordings give you the opportunity to see exactly what's happening on your site in real time. A/B testing also gives you the ability to experiment with different page designs and content to find out what works best for your audience. Weaknesses? While Crazy Egg offers powerful features, it may not be as comprehensive as some other tools like Google Analytics. Its focus on visual insights means that it doesn't offer deep, raw data for more advanced tracking and reporting. The pricing can also be a concern for some, especially since the more advanced features require higher-tier plans. Final verdict: Crazy Egg is an excellent tool for dropshippers who want a clear visual understanding of how users are interacting with their website. Its heat maps, session recordings, and A/B testing features make it easy to spot issues and optimize your store for better conversions. While it may not offer the same depth of raw data as other platforms, Crazy Egg's simplicity and focus on actionable insights make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their site's performance and boost sales. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-use tool for optimizing your dropshipping site, Crazy Egg is worth checking out.